ඔන්න අපේ සාරාද හදනවා. What are you making, darling?
Hoppers. We do like hoppers, don't we? Us boys. Is that
Yeah.
food?
මං කිව්වා ආප්ප කන්න ආසයි කියලා පාර සාරා ආප්ප හදන අපි ඔන්ලයින් ගෙන්න ගත්ත බඩු ටික. You're expert on this, eh?
I have had some practice watching, you know. Hopefully they're going to taste good.
Ah, let me see the hoppers. Oh, wow. Look at that. වෙන්න දින හොඳට හදලා තියෙනවා නේ. You're expert, darling. Look at that. It's even crunchy.
You sound impressed, honey?
Wow. It's really good. Mmm.
We're going to make some with egg as well.
Yeah. Make some eggs too. How about lumineers?
Ah, yes, there we
Are you gonna make lumineers too or sea samba?
Sini sambal.
You like sea samba, I know. Oh.
Nearly ready, nearly ready.
Do you know what's this called? It's in Sri Lanka. It's called Udinut Gindara, Yatinut Gindara, Madde Soundara.
I quit.
Oh, I didn't know. That's a long name. I think hoppers is much easier.
Callum,
to
do you
say.
like hoppers? You don't know even what the hoppers are.
You do.
Look.
That's Callum. You eat
Look, mommy cooking them.
hoppers, you like it.
Oh, you love them.
Can you do it, Callum? Are you hungry? You want to
Okay, you can take one, Callum. Go, careful, careful. You're gonna burn yourself.
Callum, do you want a bowl? Let me give you a bowl.
Ah, look your plate.
Come on here. You can take the top
It's
one.
very hot, Callum. Darling, careful. This some burn. on this side.
And wait a minute before you eat them. Okay, Callum, it might be a bit hot on the inside. Okay?
Yeah.
Which is okay.
Wow, Callum. You need egg with it as well? Okay. This uncle?
Not quite. Just
Yeah.
another few seconds.
Hoppers!
I need oil.
Look at you. Where did you learn this from? You can make egg hoppers, innit?
You
I
and
like it.
Amma.
Me and Amma. Ooh. Egg hoppers? No, no egg hoppers.
Egg hopper? Oh, one more pan and then we do it.
Okay.
There's still got lots of mixture. This
Is that ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's ready, so.
Wow, look at that.
Straight up. Okay, so now let's do egg one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
Professional.
Professional, huh? I like that. That's perfect. Look at that, guys.
Thank you, thank you.
Look at the hopper. That's brilliant.
I'm surprised Jen and Dylan haven't come running out yet when they
Yeah.
said this one. Maybe they wait till the egg ones. This pan is a bit sticky.
Yeah.
Yeah, other one better.
මේ තාච්චි එච්චර හරි නෑ. ඒක කැඩෙන එක තැනක් තියෙනවා ඇලිලා හිටිනවා. අර තාච්චි නම් සුපිරි තාච්චිය. ඒක කැඩලත් එක තියෙන්නේ මං ඒ පාර මේ ඇල්ලේකුත් ගැව්වා.
Still look.
Oh yeah, that's still okay. It's hopper, isn't it? Yeah, it's less a bit.
This one of your favourite foods from Sri Lanka.
One off, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh my god. You are proper chef.
Hang on, the lid.
And a half. Oh, look at you. Pepper. That one you can't do that. How much? Pepper.
You like things?
Oh my god. ඒකට දැම්මා.
Gonna burn your tongue.
ඒකට දැම්ම ගම්මිරිස් වෙයි. මේකට ටිකක් අඩුයි. මේකට දැම්මා ආයේ.
The hotter the better, honey. Okay?
Not really. What?
Oh, another
You
one.
finished? Wow, Callum.
Oh, there you go. Another one.
Callum ඉවර කළා ඒක. තව එකක් ගනියන්න ඇවිල්ලා.
Must be good.
Yeah. You passed the code, huh?
I think Dylan say, why are you eating them all these so fast? Dylan, would you like my
Do you know hoppers too?
One or two?
Give it to you. And egg hoppers coming as well, okay?
Here, Lord Jada. Would you
අනිත් එක්කනත් ඇවිල්ලා අනිත් එක්කනත් ඇවිල්ලා. අනිත් එක්කනත් ඇවිල්ලා ආප්ප කන්න.
Here you go, Dylan. We're doing slashes. We're doing hiccups, okay? Minutes.
Eggs coming, eggs coming. I think that's ready, darling. Oh, look at that.
You're
Okay.
not greedy, Karen. We've got lots. Do what you want to do, though.
Ooh, look at that. මෙන්න තියෙනවා. අපේ ආපේ. Wow. You are proper chef now, huh?
I think it's just you want me to do it so you don't have to put something.
Yeah.
Make-
You have good teachers, isn't it?
Of course, the best. I learn from the best.
Yes. Learn from the best.
So they probably do
Ah,
some more
learn.
like scrambled egg.
Oh no, that's good. That's good. Ah.
Another egg. Huh? That was
Nice,
your one.
nice,
Extra
nice,
pepper, yeah?
nice, nice, nice. Wow, darling, it's really good actually. Really good. Good job, good job. Thank you for making this. Thank you, thank you.
And yeah, I'll only be about another 2 hours to finish this week's dinner.